Everything I got there today was mentioned them was brand new too, you know. And the one you got yesterday with Larry, it was kind of an older one, wasn't it? Was the first one brighter or did you
oh yeah, first one was like brand spanking new.
I'm glad Jake got it this one. Yeah, the base.
Nice thing, even those smaller ones just kick your butt, you know.
Oh no, ask Larry, they don't fight like a steel. Lacey's over here knocking a hole, you know. Of course, our hole's coming back down.
Yeah, definitely got a thing too.
Does it? You gotta be kidding.
Nope. Always unfit hatchery fish.
I didn't get to see it yet. Got a fin.
You know, that fish isn't all that big and it's kicking your butt pretty good, I gotta say, Jordan.
It's a fighter. Oh, my anchors.
No, you're fine.
No, we're fine. I don't know. Because I hopped out, so it comes up. I would have caught 2 with fins, 2 or 3 this year.
I haven't had one on. That one right there, that I've seen. That one right there was our first one.
The very first couple I caught out of the shoe hole this year was. Are you sure? I haven't really looked at it. Oh yeah, I've seen something.
Nice work. How does it feel?
Feels good. It actually took a little bit of line. Doesn't feel like he has a fin on.
Quiet, he might throw one. That might be a better fish right there. Yep.
Yeah.
That's a bigger fish. Well, boys, couldn't have timed it any better.
Yeah.
Because right now, between the both of us, what we've hooked in this now is more than we've hooked together in the last
3 days, yeah. And I mean, before that, I was killing it.
Yeah. Before the 3 days, it was pretty good too, but then it just fell off.
I don't know what yours felt like, Jordan, but this one's got some cool.
This one looked pretty big.
That's a good size fish.
I actually didn't see this one go down initially.
Well, I seen it out of the corner of my eye. I started screaming. Actually, right before that, I felt, or after that, I felt some serious warmth on my hand. That's why I said right after. Yeah. Ah, yeah, about the same. About the same. He's just a butt kicker. Well, you know he's laying in there. These ones are just biting him before they can get to it. No. This is spring. This is how they fight. It's not pound for pound. They fight way harder than any other fish we have. You get a fish like that in the fall, you bring them in pretty quick without much fight. These things, they'll do it. Fight like that from the very end. Until they get to the net. I don't even. It don't.
Well, enjoy it. Right?
Well, they didn't even plant from that 1.3. So, they didn't plant from Nice job, Hilo.
How was that?
Pretty good.
See, that's a full-blown fin. The other ones are missed. Those other ones are actually got clipped and they didn't grow back. Or they grew back a little bit. See how much bigger? See how much bigger that fin is? Same size fish, just a way bigger fin. Smell the water. Water's already starting to drop.
Fall in, I'm standing up.
I'm gonna see that bobber draining 10 feet away from the boat in my nightmares tonight. I couldn't believe that shit. Man, he even jerked like sideways like that too, because his face should have been that way, you know?